Hi, I'm Jakes from Red Energy. We installed this beautiful system called the SigenStor at this beautiful factory. The SigenStor is developed to save factories like this, and the SigenStor automatically updates its settings to make sure you save optimally. It'll discharge your batteries in peak time to make sure your savings are optimal. And when load shedding comes, it'll make sure the batteries are full to keep your factory in operation. This is a beautiful system that we installed. This is the DC switchgear and protection that we've installed. But this system is small, slick, and beautiful. It's got lights on the side that you can change to show the state of charge of the batteries, to show the energy flow. This system thinks for itself. It learns from your behavior, reads the weather forecast, and adapts to exactly what your needs will be to make sure your factory stays operational while saving optimally. The system comes with a full 10-year swap-out guarantee. This on top is the inverter, and below it are the batteries. The batteries have got built-in fire suppression. They are totally sealed, 100% safe. It's also quiet. You can't even hear it as this factory is running. This is the new technology. This is on the forefront, replacing all other technologies that's been out there for the last 5 to 50 years. Thinking for itself. Uses ChatGPT to speak to the inverter and tell it what you need, and the system will react according to that.
My name is Alistair Naidu, and I'm the General Manager here at Moriah Metals. So who are we at Moriah Metals? Well, we service your manufacturing industry. We deal with the rail, the automotive, and the mining sector of South Africa. And being in that industry, electricity is a massive factor for us, especially continuous electricity. And ever since the introduction of the SigenStor, we've seen fantastic energy savings and uninterrupted electricity supply, which is a massive factor being in the type of business we are. When it comes to dealing with Red Energy and the installation of the SigenStor, it was smooth, it was seamless. The aesthetics of the system, it's beautifully designed, sleek, modern, very little to no sound, and in the winter, it provides a little bit of warmth for us down here. The added benefit with this system is the My Surgeon app, which allows me to see my levels of electricity any given time of day. It allows me to see what I'm producing, and it lets me know when I'm off-grid versus when I am having power supply from the system. And the most important factor as the general manager of this company is ensuring that I can supply my customer with steel 24/7 uninterrupted. Be it breakdown, be it on a night shift, my customer is ensured of their steel 24/7.